Attention! If you are an IT specialist, if you're coder, programmer, software engineer, blockchain, cybersecurity, you are wanted here in the US and you have all the tools to come to the US anytime from 8 months to year and a half. So today we're going to be discussing what are the immigration and visa options are out there for IT specialists across the world. And also you will learn how to get a free evaluation of your specific case. Let's go! Hello my dear friends, my name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today we're discussing the options for IT specialists across the globe, how to immigrate to the US. And why do I speak about this particular topic today? Guys, let me tell you, the official statistics is clear that between today up until 2030, the growth of IT specialist occupation and jobs is projected about 15% of what's going on today. That may not sound a lot, but guys, those are huge numbers. There's no way the US educational system can afford to get that many people in. So that's reason number one. But reason number two, it's not about the quantity, it's all about the quality. Those people who graduate or self-learn, they do not have those things, those skills, that knowledge that a lot of you do who live outside of the US. And why I know that? Well, because I do this type of visas for IT specialists all day long. That's basically all I do. The talent visas, national interest waiver visas, and business visas, and all of them are connected to IT sector. So we deal with those type of things on a daily basis. And I would say that within those visas, about 20 to 25% of people are IT connected. And for my entire career, for almost 10 years of controlling and directing my corporation, which right now has about 100 employees, and we're filing about 30 cases a month, I had only one denial of a talent visa for IT specialist, which I also disagree with. Okay, I believe it was a mistake. That's the only thing that happened with the IT specialist. And it's clear, guys, that happens. The massive chance of approval for IT specialist is explained by my statistics that I gave you in the beginning. Now, what kind of visas are available for IT specialists? For more, and I'm not going to be talking about H-1B, guys. H-1B is something that I don't like to discuss because it's a lottery and it's seasonal. It has limitations, so I don't see the reason to talk about it. Unless it's like December or January when we get the lottery coming in March for H-1B, okay? We're going to be talking about O1, EB-1A, and EB-2 NIW. Going for O1 or EB-1A, the talent visa, we have to prove 3 criteria out of the 8. I'm not going to go deep into those criteria, but let me tell you, if you manage to watch to this time of this video, if you're watching me right now as I speak, trust me, you have at least 2 or 3 criteria. If everything I said before did not turn you away, you already have 2 or 3 criteria. Probably critical leading role, a salary, and maybe contribution to the field, or maybe awards, maybe judging, maybe association. So you do have them. And depending on the quality of what you already have and your ability to work with my team and make your case stronger and to put more finance for the case, we will be able to get you either O1 visa or EB-1A. And yes, I know one of you at least said, hey, for O1 visa, Stanislav, we need an employer. How you deal with that? That's easy, guys. That's the easy part, because your own company in the US may become your own employer. Don't worry if you don't have an American company sponsoring you for O1 visa. You may be yourself who will sponsor the O1 visa. As to EB-2 NIW, National Interest Waiver, here we need to go much deeper to understand who will qualify and who will not. That will largely depend on your experience and what kind of projects you work in the past, what kind of experience and knowledge you got out of those projects and what you can offer to the United States of America. So now let's talk about the salaries, but before we do that, get the free evaluation of your case, the talent visa and NIW, national interest. Both links are below this video. One is for talent visa, one is for national interest waiver. Fill out one, the other, or both. Okay, I don't mind if you do both. Give me 2 days. I'll get back to you and give you the full initial analysis, which visa is the best for you, which criteria will satisfy, which we can work on, and whether your case has the potential. What's potential? So we are able to finalize it within 6 months and get your approval with 90 to 95% rate. And if I see the potential, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning where I will build up a written winning strategy for your case. Now, what about the salaries? Guys, let me tell you, I've never seen recently, 2023, 2024, I didn't see a single IT occupation with less than 120,000 a year for the work. And that's the bottom line. I guess if you're a beginner, okay? Sometimes I question if I'm in the right profession. But for those of you with the good experience, with the good skills and projects in the past, you guys pushing $200,000 and more if you could be a lead or senior position in a company. I see $300,000, $400,000 up to $500,000, especially if you get to a bigger company with the stock option, with the bonuses, like Amazon, for example, right? They do all this craziness, and this is a good deal, guys. This is a good deal. What I expect from you, the free evaluation. If I told you, and trust me, I will be honest with you, I don't need to play games here. We're doing the serious business. And the goal of my company is to bring 10,000 people by the year 2030. We are pushing 3,000 people, but we're still behind. So we need to be serious about what we do. And so the free evaluation, come to the complex immigration planning. And if everything is good and you love what you see, and you're gonna love it, the complete case filing is the third step that you're gonna pursue. Now, smash that like button if you enjoy my content. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I release at least 2 videos a week with the great content for you. I also have Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and other platforms where I post unique content. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.